Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen. And our today's topic is types of inheritance. So let's get started. First, single inheritance. So in a single inheritance, basically there are two classes involved. One is the base class, that is animal here, and another is the child class, that is dog. So basically dog is inheriting all the public properties from its base class animal. So this is the single inheritance. And we have another one, that is the multi-level inheritance, where multiple classes are involved. Basically one class inherits from another one. So here you can see one example. This animal is the top level base class, and here we have the carnivorous animal and it is inheriting from animal, and finally we have the lion and it is inheriting from carnivorous. So this is called multi-level inheritance, and in C# we can have so many levels. Now let's look at about the next one, that is the hierarchical. And here one base class can have multiple child class. In this example we have animal and it has two child here, that is the carnivorous and herbivorous. And again this carnivorous can have multiple uh, classes, and for this herbivorous also. Okay, we have two more types, that is the multiple. So in this multiple inheritance, basically a child class inherits from multiple base classes, and basically in C# it is not allowed. And similarly we have the hybrid one also, where we have the combination of hierarchical and multi-level, right? So here here B and C are inheriting from class D, so this becomes one hierarchical. But in case of the below scenario, so both the class B and C are base for A, so this becomes the multiple, and both multiple and hybrid are not allowed in C#. So that is one of the thing. And why it is not allowed, right? Why C# does not allow multiple inheritance? Let's try to understand. So here I have created two base classes, so class A and class B, and both the class contain same method, right? Same method means same name of the method. So here we have public void show and we are printing here from A, and in class B we have public void show and we are printing from B. So both the classes has the method of same name, right? Show. So let's create one class, that is C, which is the child one, and try to inherit from A and B, right? So can you guess which show method will C use, right? So this is called method ambiguity, and C#, because of this C# does not allow multiple inheritance, right? So let's quickly jump into the Visual Studio and look at all the above three inheritance in action. Okay, so here I have prepared one program. You can see this is the animal class and it has two public members. One is the public property name and another is the public method make sound, right? So and inside that we have printed, or we are trying to print like the animal name, whatever the name will be, says, and the sound. So basically we will be passing the sound from the make sound methods parameter, right? And here let's look at the first one, that is the single inheritance. So here dog class is inheriting from animal, right? And in the constructor of the dog we are assigning the name of the dog, right? So basically name equal to dog. And this is also a single inheritance, like cat is inheriting from animal, right? But here you can see the animal class is the base of dog and cat, so this becomes the hierarchical, right? And here also let's look at the multi-level then, right? Here in multi-level what we have done here, there is a class carnivorous animal, and which is inheriting from animal, and then lion is a carnivorous, right? So lion is inheriting from carnivorous animal. So here the multi-level inheritance is there. Okay, and in the same way we have the herbivorous animal, it is inheriting from animal, and then elephant is a herbivorous animal, right? So elephant is inheriting from this class. And in main method you can look at, if you create the object like this, dog equal to new dog, and then dog can make sound like oof, right? And similarly we have cat, and it can make sound like mew, and then lion have roar, and elephant trump, right? So in this way it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video, so please do like and subscribe. Thank you for today and have a great day.